This is a very big clash between a member in parliament and Marco Rubio over corruption and the money being spent. At the end, Marco Rubio was asked to practice what he preached. Watch this.
$8 billion slush fund. And I think that's corruption. The American people think that's corruption. They want to know if you think that's corruption.
Okay. Number two, this goes right to the point of transparency. You're absolutely wrong about the way the money flows. It's pretty straightforward, and I'll share.
So I'm going to have to reclaim my time again because
well, then,
the
what kind of
question about
process is this? They get to ask questions and you don't get to answer?
It's my time. The question
I don't know
about
about you. When
corruption
is it my
really
time?
important.
So why am I here if I don't get to answer your questions or your defamatory statements?
I'm reclaiming my time,
Reclaim.
Mr.
I want
Chair.
you to, but I want to reclaim. Well, do I get time? Because you make these defamatory statements and no one can talk here.
If
this
you
is crazy.
can't call out corruption in this country, then how can you call it out in another
Well, I can't say anything because you won't let me speak.
Question. It is about credibility and your credibility. And your credibility meter is on empty right now. This oil.
These guys just get to talk and I don't get to answer?
Who determines the barrels of oil that get sold? How
but you
many
won't
of
let
them?
me answer your question. I have an answer for your question.
Where is it going?
Oh, I get
will
it. They
let
have to
you.
use their time for me to answer
The
your
onus
question.
is on you to prove that there is no corruption happening.
Well, how do I prove it if you don't let me talk?
That is your responsibility as the Secretary of State. And you know what? Normally, we would have access to that data. That's the transparency.
You just don't know where to look.
But you're not showing us any receipt. Well, then show us.
Do
you commit? Do you commit to coming back here with whoever the person is who is monitoring the sales of the oil? Bring them before this committee.
Can
show
I reclaim
the
my
receipts.
time?
Have the documentation. You don't have this time yet. I'm talking about your credibility and evidence, not your talking points, because talking points are never a replacement for transparency.
I agree, but that's what you're saying. You're saying talking points without an answer.
We are 5 months into this and no audits. Zero visibility into the contracts that are awarded.
100%.
Unfortunately, Representative's time has expired. Representative Salazar is recognized.
Yes. And giving contracts with no transparency is exactly the reason why you shut down USAID. So practice what you preach. I yield my
Oh, she gets to scream now too?
Chairman, can we take down her words?
I'll give you some time. I'll give you some of my time. Let me just
okay.
Oh
God, what kind of thing is this? What is this? You get asked questions for 5 minutes and you don't get time to answer. It's not a hearing.
I think you said clown
like
show
a dunk
before.
tank? What is this?
I don't have to tell you. I don't.
I've even used their time. How can I answer the question? They don't even give me time. I've had to use their time to answer your questions.
Yes.
All right, whatever.
All right, so I don't need to tell you that in my community, the city that I represent, the city of Miami, you're one of the most illustrious representatives, and that we're very proud of you, not only the Cuban Americans, but the Hispanic Americans in my community.
Why is she leaving? I'm going to answer her questions.
I will.
Oh, okay, I got it. Well, thank you for coming.
Marco Rubio, practice what you preach. Let's end corruption. But in the other hand, there is no government, no administration that people will not perceive corruption. Whether the administration is doing good or not doing good, there are some people that will presume that corruption is going on. So that is all I have to say. You that watch this video, what is your own opinion? What do you have to say? Please drop it in the comment section. Let's know what you think. And don't forget to follow me on this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that anytime I publish the next video, you will get notification. I really appreciate your time for watching. Bye.